Sir Mark. Ako, sir, this is Ray Mark from Mitsubishi Manila Bay. I noticed that you are interested in Mitsubishi L300, tama po? Okay, sir, taga saan po sila? Okay, Bulacan. And then yung L300, sir, para saan niyo po gagamitin? Okay, got it. For delivery logistics, sir, tama. Si Sir Noah po, employer business. Okay, saan po kayo employed, sir, if you don't mind? Okay, so regular ka na, sir, tama?
Yes.
Okay, si Sir Noah po, may asawa na? Okay, walang anak, sir? Okay. Okay, noted, sir. Tapos living with the parents ka po, sir?
Yes po.
Ito yung L300 natin, sir. It's a 2026 year model na, yung latest na model ng L300. And after 19 days, yung first monthly mo dito, eh. So, makakabelo ka ng pang-monthly, sir. At the same time, magamit mo ng L300. Yun yung maganda sa promo. Tapos, sir, regarding sa mother and father, still working po sila. Tapos, kay mother po, Sir Noah, ID lang kailangan natin to valid ID. Tapos, kay father, gano'n din, to valid ID. Tapos, sa requirement po, same lang kayo ng father. Same para sa po kayo birth. COA, tapos payslip na lang, sir. Actually, mas maganda, sir, kung may bank statement. Anong bank mo, sir? Okay, AUB. Si father, meron po. Okay. Okay, noted, sir. Yung AUB, pwede siya online? Apo. Yes, pwede po. Yun lang naman yung kailangan natin, sir. Valid IDs, proof of billing, tapos yung payslip, tapos please include na rin yung 3 months na bank statement. Wi-Fi, pwede ano natin? Pwede po Wi-Fi. Meron po water, Wi-Fi, tapos credit card pwede nga rin eh. Okay, sa processing, sir, ang bangko, sir, siyempre Monday to Friday lang sila nagpa-process, Sabado Linggo wala sila. So, upon application, sir, or let's say sa Monday, ma-process natin. Actually, better kung masabit mo na para ma-ready ko by Monday morning, ma-process ko na siya. Actually, we have 9 banks, sir. Opo. So, yung 9 banks na yan, sir, iba-iba siya ng promo, and iba-iba din siya ng base. However, once you proceed an application, sir, siyempre, priority natin yung may best deal. Tapos, send ko sa iyo, sir, yung list of requirements, tapos credit application form na kailangan nyo mong ilagang. Tapos, send ko din sa iyo yung quotation, sir, ng LBM. Okay. Any questions, sir, Noah? Additional information lang, sir, Noah. So, doon sa promo, sir, included na din yung 1 year comprehensive insurance mo, 3 years LTO registration, tapos 3 years na warranty service. Yung 3 years na warranty, sir, apply natin for 6 years. Para mas mataas. I mean, mas matagal yung coverage ng warranty. Hindi, sir, kung hindi nyo registrate nyo, siyempre, kailangan natin dyan is yung ORCR. Okay, ORCR, LJFRB, tapos DTI, tapos ID mo. Apo. Sige po. Okay, noted, sir. Pag may tanong ka, sir, pwede naman akong tawagan or message anytime. Send ko sa iyo, sir, yung list of requirements. Okay, thank you, sir, Noah. Bye-bye po.